le doche, which kind wahala you don't cause now? Eh? Yo le doche, which kind problem you don't cause again? Eh? Yo le doche na give another woman belle. Now you le doche marry another woman. Not be me, oh. My wife no go allow me rest for this matter. Every day. Did you see what this man did? Is it the right thing? Every day they ask me, what is your say on this matter? Innocent me. I just now only stupid man go get wife in, then go see they go outside, go sleep for outside. Though. What do you want me to answer my wife now? What do you want me? Because women now carry this upon their head. I don't just know what these women want. The girl will get belay for them now. If they not marry her now she come outside and say, you give her belay, why you not marry him? Okay, you don't marry her, really say God go punish her for knowing that he is married, then he can't go marry him. What do we want for this country? What do we want? So this baby mama will get so una no say na men we no make their wife no say they born for us and I will take get many baby mama up and down. You know me people they stay like you be say they be baby mama say the man and they pay the rent and everything. You know what kind of come out because you know one year say they talk say man another wife. I'm not in support of polygamy. Not be say me I won't do them. But my brother, if you see the way these girls are throwing themselves at men now only God go help us. So not go rek say what you le do na bad thing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about you Edoche. This you Edoche matter, as in social media catch fire for the matter. Social media catch fire. Now they watch one of our brother just now. He say his wife they even tell am say, what will be your take for this matter? What will be your take for this you Edoche they marry second wife so? What will be your take? Say no know what to tell the wife again. Make it not be like say no talk for the matter. Now you can't talk. Say what you Edoche do? You not really do well. But if those guys they throw their self for them, he say they be man now before they will come. They look wide ways, they know they know again, you know. So the thing called the shock salaries me. So my people, like what you Edoche really do the wife? So now good thing, my people, because the way the whole matter they be now, the thing can't pass like he can't pass Jeremy, you know. And this girl at 12 they are together. Like the thing can't even shock me, say that the same girl now you Edoche come out now say that his second wife. That is why they always tell women, not by say you too fine, you too slay, you too do slay. Now it matter they stay with woman. No. Just pray may God give you a God-fearing man, even though you can't even add with later, I don't go still leave you. You understand? Because you see you Edoche wife now. She's there okay. She's slay, she there okay. She not be Ogbeke woman. At least she there on point, you know. She there okay. But today now uncle, you Edoche go carry, even the way you Edoche even carry self get body pass the woman self. You get body pass am. You understand? So that's why they tell people, not maybe I say you too fine, no, na man not go take cheat on you. You pray, make enter you. You understand? And Africa will for come, make they marry 2 wife. Make they marry 3 wife. You understand? So now small we go say blame her, but we see leave her because it already born put, it don't born put. Isn't that his second wife? So maybe don't go marry him. You understand? Before man go use the full chest, they talk say this woman is his second wife. You know say water don't really pass Gary. You understand? And they don't really say yes, that his wife might be that one. You know, so I hear say they say the woman want pack more for house because of the first one, because of the second one. Why you go pack? Not pack, you want to leave your husband for him. Yeah, and I be say you don't let her just enter as finish now. I be my people. What do you want to make the woman pack? For me, I don't see the reason why you want pack. Not pack. Not just pack, go anywhere. You understand? Because if you can't pack, like be like say you just give him the opportunity when you go to do anything when you want to do. So for me, you know, pack, you understand? So maybe you still dey with him. I know say God go turn everything around again. God go see make everything dey okay for you. You understand? If that woman not be wife, you go see commodity. You not see Noella. Noella go follow another woman, drag husband. The woman can't come out, leave him for them. Say, may you enjoy with me, I enjoy for Chidi. And Today unko. I even hear say the chidi say they praise you self. I say best of the same feather flow together. You understand? I hear saying they happy for the matter, you know. So because now what in they do. He said because he never come out, can't talk in own story. Now make una the feel say now in they bad with the women they live on. You know. You use that one do white where they do everything at the end of the day, you call. It not good for that Noella. Oh. Una not drag that Noella the way me wanna take drag himself. Because that one, he go there, go comot the woman. He said na she be the best. She even used mouth talk that I say, the first wife was not cooking. It was not okay. That because you wake up there okay. Why the man can't leave you now? Eja, I beg you. So you were Doshe, my sister, the wife. If you know say you not fit stay, nobody will force you. But I know say that this one you not go last. We don't see many for social media now. We don't see many. You understand? So my people. So anything wanna think about the video, make una leave una comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.
Yo le doshe, which kind wahala you don't cause now? Eh? Yo le doshe, which kind problem you don't cause again? Eh? Yo le doshe na give another woman belle. Now yo le doshe marry another woman. Not be me oh. My wife no go allow me rest for this matter. Every day. Did you see what this man did? Is it the right thing? Every day they ask me, what is your say on this matter? Innocent me. I just now only stupid man go get wife in, then go see they go outside, go sleep for outside though. What do you want me to answer my wife now? What do you want me, because women now carry this upon their head. I don't just know what these women want. The girl will get belay for them now. If they're not marry her now see come outside and say, you give her belay, why you not marry him? Okay, you don't marry her, really say God go punish her for knowing that he is married, then he can't go marry him. What do we want for this country? What do we want? So this baby mama will get so una no say na men we no make their wife no say they born for us and I will take get many baby mama up and down. You know people they still like you be say they be baby mama say the man and they pay the rent and everything. You know what kind of come out because you know yes say they talk say man another wife. I'm not in support of polygamy. Not be say me I won't do them. But my brother, if you see the way these girls are throwing themselves at men now only God go help us. So not go Rex say what you le do now bad thing. They pray may God help you. If you see these girls when they take come out, you go even pastor self they fear. So every day you pray, Father Lord, lead me not into temptation, deliver me from all evil. Because these girls now only high, only help. They look you. If you are not careful, you don't lost after them. And they are ready to just get belay for you. You can't deny it. So I not support polygamy. Me, my wife, not may allow me. I know every day now the news now. Bloggers now not allow anybody rest. Now the issue, morning and evening, yo le doche, up and down. Eh? What thing I want me? What thing I even want more we do? What thing I want more we do? Yeah, because this thing, me I don't tire. Oh. Not be me give person belle. Not be me oh. Not be me oh. Now yo le doche oh. Women men go meet you le doche they complain. Not be we, not be the husband. We not plan them oh. God go help me. God go help me. I know every day I go to pray, God help me. Because if you see girls for lucky, if you see girls, oh God. Not even talk of saying a movie where you call the act. Where girls go come, I want to act. Before you see, I know they do night scene. Before you see, they don't put it up for one corner. They say, okay, act, do this one. Before you see, you just see yourself and the girl alone. Before you see, and you know, say we men, our eye. Oh God, Father, help me. This marriage help me. And every day I go to pray. Men they pray for us. Men they pray for women who. So that we not go follow. Women, men they pray for us. So we not colleague for outside, no they allow us rest. So we not colleague for outside, they know they allow us rest. So men follow all these guys, men they shame them. Oh. Even as they talk now, some girls they say what did that girl do, but and